All right, my temperature's reached 300 degrees. It's smoking real good, so I'm gonna flip them over. Got a little bit of tinfoil going there. Look the way they come apart. I can just go ahead and separate those. Now that I flipped them over and I'm cooking them on this side, I can go ahead and apply my barbecue sauce. The basting brush I have is a high temp rubber brush, so you don't get like the brush bristles, the hair bristles in your meat. It's dishwasher safe. You can find it at any local discount store. But you want to baste this meat a thin coat, not a thick coat, because it'll just drip off and burn and start a fire. So a thin coat is applied for the first coat. This barbecue sauce, I put honey and brown sugar in. It'll caramelize and be basically like a glue and hold the meat together. Because I've cooked the meat up as far as I could without it falling right off the bone. I'll turn that down to just a high grill. Let that come back up to 300 degrees, and then I'll flip it over and do the same process again. I'll do that about 2 or 3 times. If it goes to getting black spots on it, like burn spots, that's your barbecue sauce burning. So you want to stop then and either reduce the heat and move them over to the warmer side, and you can continue to baste, but just give time enough for the barbecue sauce to get kind of solidified.